Hello, welcome back to Big 28 once again. My followers, you see the food on the screen? Nice. Today we have a special guest in the house that is going to show us how to prepare this special meal. So, let's make this together. And this special meal is called
Maria tacos.
so tacos is what we're preparing today. So let's hear from the own horse's mouth how to prepare this special recipe. So
So first, you want to clean your meat. Right now, I'm using beef for mine. If you want to use any other meats, you can. And these are the Berea bombs that I put in. I got these from the States, but you can use whatever seasoning that you want for your meat. You can add onion, and any other vegetables that you want to add to your meat to give it that flavor that you need. But before I forget, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment just to let us know and give us feedback on this amazing content that's being created. Thank you.
so today we are going into how to call it, Mexican dishes, right?
Yes.
So
Mexican dishes.
we're going straight to Mexico. So just stay with us. Let's make this recipe together, and I'll give you my feedback as soon as the dish is done, and as tasty can give you the hint about how delicious it is. So stay with us. Let's make this together. Don't go anywhere. Thank you.
Lights went down when you feel lost in your shadow. Don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world.